Okay, welcome back to another episode of Cooking with Mr. Dan. Today we're going to be making us a nice, easy dish. It's called the Hurricane Chicken Casserole. The reason I'm making this, I'm trying to show you guys how you can use simple ingredients, but you can feed a few people, and it doesn't cost much. So, without further ado, let's get to it. First off, I'm hitting the oven at 350. Here I have some stuffing mix that I made. I was going to use potatoes as a bottom of the plate, but I decided to put stuffing in instead. Here I boiled up my chicken. That's over there. So here we go. Here we have a baking sheet. I'm probably going to just spray some butter spray on there. Here I've got 1 pound of shredded up chicken. You can use tenderloins. You can use any kind of chicken meat you want. You can cut it up. I prefer to do this because I'm going to mix stuff. That way it gets a nice even mix. Here I've got some onion crisp I'm going to mix in for a topper, and I got some panko crumbs and some Ritz crackers. You know, my normal mix. Okay. When back there, I got some pepper jack. I'm going to put a topper on it, but little bites of little peppers in there. Cream of chicken soup, cream of mushroom. Got some baby carrots here. These are like for Chinese food or whatever. They're just like this corn, but baby corn is what they call them. Penny likes those, so I figured I'd use them. We had them in there. This is the stovetop I used, turkey flavored. Didn't have no other ones. Here I have I guess a medley you call it. I got some red pepper, green pepper, yellow pepper, some orange ones in there. And I mixed them with some mushrooms. So we're going to mix all that together. So you're going to bulk this up so it's a nice filling little meal, okay? Okay, there's a lot of different things you can use in this. I'm just using what I got. This is my version. You can use, you don't even need cream of chicken or cream of whatever soup in here. You can make like a casserole dish out of spaghetti sauce and different things. You can use ground beef. You can use turkey. You can use, I'm using chicken. You can use pork. You can use whatever kind of meat you like. All right, so we're gonna just take this out here. This is like the big dump, you know. And I'm putting mushroom in here, but you can use cream of celery in here, whatever you like. Again, totally up to you. I don't want to waste anything, so I'm going to try to scrape out as much as I can out of the can here. Nice little tasty dish. Doesn't take long. As you can see, few ingredients. Now, you can add whatever stuff you like. You can put onions in here, tomatoes, whatever kind of vegetables you like. It's really totally up to you. It's like a hurricane went through your pot. Okay, so we'll take our baby corn. See how this is cut up pretty nice. So I thought of this because of a different texture, but plus Penny likes it, so and it's going. Plus it'll bulk up the dish. And then we're going to take our peppers and mushrooms, and in they go. I got to get some peas, I think, too. I don't know if I'm going to use peas or not. I was going to use peas. I don't know. We'll see how it turns out first. See what this looks like. But if you don't have peppers, you use peas. You can use that mixed bag of carrots, peas, and green beans if you like. Whatever you like, just throw it in there. That's all going to be good. At the end of the day, it's whatever you like in here, huh? And it smells good already. Okay, get out of the way, you. Okay, now we're going to dump our chicken in here. And she's all going in. And we're mixing this. See, I'm trying not to really touch the peas because Penny uses those when she makes salad, but I think I'm going to dip in there and take some anyway. I like the peas. She likes peas too. And the more stuff you put in here now, it bulks it up and it becomes more filling of a dish, see? Let me go get some peas. Okay, so you can see I dumped some peas in here. She won't even miss them. Besides, she likes peas. All right, I think we got a nice mix going here. We're going to just take this in a minute and Okay, let me get my casserole dish. Okay, as you can see, I hit it with some butter spray. Now we get the next ingredient. Okay, as you can see, I hope, got some, took my stuffing out of the pan, and I'm just breaking it up a little bit more, trying to spread it out. You want to try to coat, get a level on the whole bottom of the cooking pan, whatever, baking pan, baking dish, bacon, whatever the hell it is, casserole dish. All right. And so you just, you cook the breadcrumbs, the stuffing mix just the way it tells you on the box. I think you have to add some water, some butter, boil it up a little bit, and let it sit on the side for 5 to 10 minutes, and then fork it with a fork. Oh boy, fluff it with a fork, right? Okay, so now we've got just about what we want. Got almost the whole thing nice and even. I know I'm a little bit, most people would have stopped by now, but I'm a little anal retentive when it comes to stuff like this. I like a nice even thing. I like the bottom coated. Okay, now, next step. See, now I made a mess. Look at that. I got a hole there. Come on. Come on, you guys. Play right. You know you go in an oven. You can have a nice warm place to sleep. All right, that's good enough. All right, so now what we're going to do, I'm going to give you guys another view of this. But you got to admit, that does look pretty good. So we're putting this in. Just going to pour it right on top. And then we're going to try to level this out the best we can, huh? I tell you, it's got a nice aroma to it. And if you like all the veggies you put in there, you'll be up in hog heaven. Just put whatever you like in here. There's no right, wrong, or otherwise. If you like it, if you've eaten it before, you're going to like it again, put it in there. I just tried to use this because I was trying to help clean out some of the stuff we had in the shelf on the back, like the stuffing mix. I think I have one more box left. We bought a bunch of it one time. It was on sale. We bought it. We've been giving it to the kids. I think the kids are sick of getting stuffing. But anyhow, I think I got one. I'm pretty sure there's one box, maybe two. Don't hold me to that though, okay? And that corn, I think that's the last one. When I was into the Chinese food thing, but then Penny's like, I don't want no more Chinese food. Okay, so we don't have no more Chinese food. Okay, that's okay. Well, this is looking pretty good, guys. You got to admit. So, and see, that's the reason I put the peppers in here. The multicolored bell pepper. It gives it a little bit of color. Not that you're going to see much after we get done doctoring it up. There goes the oven right on time, huh? All right. So, you say, what's new? Well, you notice I didn't salt anything yet because I know all this stuff in here has got a fair amount of salt, especially this, cream of chicken, cream of mushroom. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to pour some of these here onion crispies on top of there. And this is another reason I didn't do anything with the flavoring of it yet. I can't use too many of these because the little one likes putting these on the salad too, so. But Mr. Dan said he's going for more. Luckily I got another bag, huh? So, this is just nice because it gives it a nice flavor. I don't think there'll be too much crunch left. And you can use whatever brand of this you like. You can use any brand of the cream of chicken, cream of mushrooms, like I said, cream of celery you can do. Whatever you like. If you like real cheesy, put some cheddar cheese in here instead. Cream of cheddar, huh? I don't like too much cheese. I'm trying to get something a little lighter than we've been eating lately for Miss Penny. All right, so that'll be good, huh? Okay. And this is my next stab on it. I'll throw a little of this here pepper jack. Like I said, I'm doing this. I would normally put like peppers in here, but I'm just trying to make it taste, get a little more cheese on here because Penny likes cheese. But I'm trying not to use too much cheese. You know what I'm saying? But you got the peppers in here to give it a nice flavor. So that'll be that. One more slice of this. Boop. I know I didn't cover everything. I wasn't, like I said, I'm not trying to use a lot of cheese. This is going to hold everything together on top, though. All right, I'll be right back. I want to crunch up my Ritz crackers and my panko. Okay, guys, as you can see, I beat up my Ritz cracker a little bit. And we're just going to mix some panko breadcrumbs in here. Okay. Close that up a little bit. We don't want everything flying all over the room. And then we'll just kind of bust that up a little bit. Normally I mix everything together, the onion crisp, the panko, the Ritz, that's my topping, my standard topping. So, but today I went a little different because I was trying to do something with this here casserole. Okay, so now we're going to just top this with some of our little mix here. And this here hopefully will get us a little bit of browning on top. And this is one little short sleeve of Ritz crackers. And the rest of it was the panko. Gives a nice little crunch on top. A little golden color, hopefully. I always say that. Sometimes it gets golden, sometimes not. But we are golden with this recipe right now, I'll tell you. All right. So that being said, going to give us a little bit of buttery spray action here. I got this idea a long time ago. Everybody's saying, just drizzle some butter on it. Why not take some butter spray? Makes it simple. All right, this is going in the oven until everything's nice and golden, bubbly, for probably 25 minutes or so. I'll keep checking on it, and we'll be right back. Okay, guys, as you can see, it turned out really nice. It's still bubbling, hot, just came out of the oven. I got to give this a little bit to rest before I start scooping, but if you can see, like the bubbles popping here and here, it's still hot. So we'll be back in a few minutes. Okay, guys, you can see we took a piece out, but there's 6 servings in there basically. And it looks just like this. Look at that. Okay, we'll meet you at the taste test table. Okay, this camera girl snitched a piece off my plate. She said, oh, there's so many yummy flavors in here. Well, we'll soon find out for ourselves, huh? I like the colored thing in there. Yep, she did have a point with that. You know, you can put any kind of vegetables you want in here. You can help clean out the refrigerator. My initial intent, I wanted to put a bit of mashed potato, you know, on the bottom, or leftover mashed potatoes on the bottom of the casserole, and build up, but I only had 2 potatoes left. So, next best thing, I thought, well, I got some stuffing mix back there. Huh? Over the top delicious. I don't want to eat all this now. It's too getting close to. Man, it's good. And the crumb topping with the onions, delicious. Puts it way over. Okay, guys, if you like the recipe, give me a thumbs up. Share it with your friends, your family. If you have not yet subscribed, please do so. Hit the subscribe button. When you do that, notification bell will pop down. That will notify you each and every time we come up with another video. There's an arrow down below the video box. You hit that, drop down box will come down. We'll give you a link to Cooking with Mr. Dad Facebook page, a link to my daughter's artwork site page, and a complete initial ingredients to how we made this wonderful, wonderful dish. So stay here, my friends, and when you are, come back, and we will give you another delicious dish just like this. This is Mr. Dan saying stay happy, stay healthy. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. We're out for now.